and a package arrived, so I'm gonna open it. I have a few gifts I need to wrap. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 8. Currently making noodles for lunch. Having the leftover veggies from last night's dinner. Having udon noodles. Also the fish tofu and the fish balls with the raw eggs inside. Of course the, what are these called? Fried tofu skin. But yeah, making a noodle soup for lunch. I just wanted something warm and cozy. So first thing I do is boil water, and whenever it comes to a boil, I add in the frozen fish ball or fish tofu in there. And whenever it's floating and it looks kind of puffy, like right now, I add in the noodles. I only add the frozen stuff in there first because it takes the longest to cook. But yeah, whenever that's soft and ready to go and it's boiling again, I'll add in veggies and the tofu skin because these take like less than probably 10 seconds or so. Food's ready. Doesn't look all that presentable, but it tastes really good. I just sort of dumped everything from the pot here. Usually I'll nicely lay it out, but I'm hungry, so it doesn't matter.
It matters.
Doesn't. So I had to wait for the water to boil, but I added a little bit more liquid into here. I like my noodles more soupy.
Three cups of rice?
2.
3 it is, baby.
Finally got off work. It's currently 6 o'clock p.m. and a package arrived, so I'm gonna open it. I think I know what this is, but I'm not 100% sure. I know for a fact that they don't really watch my vlogs, so it's okay to open camera. Actually, I could only show one of the 3 gifts. 2 of the gifts, once I show it, I think it's kind of obvious who it is for the family members who knows this person. We're doing Secret Santa, so yeah, I don't want to expose myself. I guess I can show this one item on camera because I don't think this person watches my vlog up to date. He sort of watches it scatteredly. Does that make sense? The gaming mouse, the same mouse Angelo has for his computer. I thought this would be a good gift for someone in my life. I realized I need ornaments for this tree. It actually looks kind of sad. And every time I'm in work meetings, I just see like a naked tree behind me and it just looks so funny. I can get some this weekend. Or next weekend. I am off for 2 days next week, so I'm gonna definitely go to Target to pick up some like decorations, extra wrapping paper and stuff like that. Also, I know this is on my tree, but it doesn't even belong on the tree. I don't really know where to put it. I found a new spot for it. I like it here more. Here's where it is now. It's right by the entranceway. Yeah, it looks nice. It looks better here. There's like a little screw over here already. Here's what's for dinner. We just made rice. My mom came through with this, I don't know what this is. Beef stew, carrot, celery, and potato, and some like spicy sauce, I think. I'm not too sure. And this is pork with eggplant. Honestly, if this wasn't here, we probably would have ordered something.
No, you would have made dumplings.
Oh, just FYI, why I always wear the same clothes all the time is because the purple Disney shirt that I wore for the past few vlogs, I have 2 of those.
No need to explain.
I have to. Yeah, but
Some potatoes, let's get some.
Throw some in here, homie.
Put it up.
Lift.
There you go. Boom.
Oh. Yummy. Gonna try the ground pork. Oh, good. Okay, so the lights on the tree look so much better. Earlier when I was eating dinner, I noticed there was a few bald spots on the tree, so that means there was no light coverage. So I just rearranged the lights and it looks better now. This one looks kind of funny. So I have a few gifts I need to wrap today. I just want to fill up the tree with presents, so I'm wrapping a few each day or whenever they come in the mail. Yeah, gonna do a gift wrapping montage. Gotta block off any of the gifts I don't want shown. But yes, Okay, push you back a little bit. So while I was in the shower, I hand washed all of the gym attire, Angela's Lulu shorts, sports bra, my Lulu leggings. I feel like you're not supposed to put them in the washer, so I just hand washed it while I was in the shower.
Thank you.
And clothing rack came in handy today. Kind of hungry right now, so I think I'm gonna microwave leftover blueberry pie, and I'm gonna have it with vanilla ice cream. Piece of the pie. Okay, now I'm gonna stand away from the microwave. Actually, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna snack for a couple of hours probably, edit my vlog, watch some new vlogs, probably do some stuff I keep pushing off, and probably call it a night. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.